Hete Pu, peace and blessings to all from Divine Peace Meditation and Yoga. This is Mommy Imani taking a quick Hetep meditation moment. It is raining rather steadily in NVA. It's about 9:30 a.m. on a Peace and Freedom Friday. And I forgot that it was expected to rain in the early hours of the morning. Last night we were so busy grilling and chilling that I forgot to put the plastic dome back on the seedlings, but that's okay. It was about 48, 50 degrees all night, so it was still kind of warm. And then they get all this rain and all of this natural breeze. And I am glancing out of the dining room window and taking some creative shots of the Goddess Urban Farm. Love the rain, love the sound of the rain. When I first woke up at about 6:30, it was coming down much harder than this. There's a drain pipe near our sanctuary windows, so I could tell about how hard it's raining by how fast and furious the water is flowing through the drain pipe. And I heard it go from flowing quite vigorously to flowing more lightly. So I'll come to the window and open the blinds, press my forehead to the glass. But for meditative video purposes, I have pushed up the screen. Everything looking lovely. Give thanks and praises for the rain. Give thanks and praises for more seasonal temperatures. I think we almost hit 62 or 63 yesterday. And we might get as high as 60 today. And the rain is going to continue for the rest of the morning and ease off to maybe clear by 1 p.m. this afternoon. Stay safe, stay healthy, and remember that you are always blessed in abundance. We just have to act like it. Get out there and do something good for somebody. Be a good neighbor. Why? Because it's the right thing to do. That's why. Dua, many thanks for watching this video to the end. Please give it a like. Please share it with like-minded souls. Mediya, much love to all. And blessed be.